What, are they sold out?
Are you kidding me?
Let's go. I hit the checkout.
You tired of taking L's like these guys?
Oh, come on.
I love hype clothes, but buying it was a pain in the ass. I'm sure you feel the same way. Try buying exclusive Yeezys or Off-White, or going for a Supreme drop. Stuff sells out before you can click add to cart. Infuriating. So I did something about it. Welcome to 300 Chefs. So what exactly is 300 Chefs? 300 Chefs is a Slack community where you're notified of the most profitable shoes and hyped streetwear that will be dropping so that you can become a more profitable reseller. No more sold out screens, no more failed payments. Whether you plan to rock your purchases or resell them, 300 Chefs helps everyone eat. Constant updates let you know what's dropping, what's hot, and what's going to brick. Our monitors add the item to your cart and take you to checkout automatically, instantly putting you in front of the line. Exclusive jigs to help you save big while shopping. Play your cards right and you'll easily triple your money every single month. The choice is yours. Spots to join are limited. Don't get cooked. Cook with us at 300 Chefs.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. Like the little intro clip, the group is fire. 300 Chefs over this past weekend with the UNC drop, with the turbo green ones, the Concord 11s. Like, bro, the group went crazy. Like, just the knowledge that people pass on and tell you oh, this site dropped, oh, get this size, and just the knowledge, it's unbeatable. Like, I copped multiples in every shoe, no bot, just manual. It's crazy. It's crazy. But yeah, also, these are flames, bro. Oh my god. Hey. Wow. Wow. That's tough. We won't talk about that. But going into what I think, this shoe is just, it's impeccable. I don't know if I'm saying it just because I played Division I golf. I don't know if I'm saying it just for that. All I know is shoe goes crazy. Shoe goes crazy. So one of my candidates for shoe of the year, it's not even a sneaker, bro. Because you see the spikes. The Jordan 11 Concord Golf. Oh man. Oh man. I mean, so the quality is automatically going to be different. It's a golf shoe. It has to have different components than just a normal sneaker. Obviously, from the bottom and the actual like cleats that are in the ground when you're golfing, I like where they're placed. Nike always knows where to go. Keegan Bradley, I'm sure, is played in these, so I'm sure it's a pretty good golf shoe. Jordan Golf, obviously Jordan is a big fan of golf. They have some golfers like Harold Varner and Keegan Bradley that are signed to Jordan for golf. So Jordan really loves golf, so it was about time we got a very clean golf shoe. There's a lot of shoes they can do it with, so I'm sure this won't be the last. But this looks really good. It's good in the low top version. A high golf shoe would just be kind of different. But the low is perfect. I love this shoe. I think it is a candidate for shoe of the year. It's beautiful. They sold out instantly. But as I said, the group cooked these. It's just a fire shoe, man. It's a fire shoe. Jordan 11 Golf. They even changed the like 11 tag on the front where it says quality inspired. This says quality golf products inspired by the greatest ever. So it's pretty dope. Nike, you win again. I don't know where Adidas is, but Nike, you win again. But stay tuned, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when a video drops. And yeah, I don't know what's next, but it'll be great.